So the point of this this one, the reason why we're going to ride right now, and the goal of why I'm riding with you is, for one, when you ride by yourself and you're a new rider, you're focused on the skills aspect, you know, shifting, turning, all these other things, and you're not so focused on traffic. Okay, so that's dangerous for new riders, is that you're so focused on making sure that you have your skills ready, you're not really looking at, you know, a car coming out, because you're kind of looking down for the brakes and all that stuff. So, as a more experienced rider, I'll be behind you. So while you focus on all your little things, I will focus my biggest thing on the traffic, and I'll point stuff out. So if I say, hey, like, slow down, or if I get in front of you, don't be alarmed. That's because I see something. And if I say, hey, watch that car, that means don't worry about your skills, watch that car. So you focus on your skills, I'll focus on the road hazards, because I don't need to focus on the skills.
Okay.
Okay? So let's go ahead and start it.
I feel like I'm going to blow up.
Why? Oh, because you spilled gas.
Yeah, because I spilled gas. I've never spilled gas on me before.
So that's the beauty of having a more experienced rider ride with you with the comm system. So normally I would have to be in front of you. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. So normally, it just changed on my phone, so I figured it switched. Normally I'd be in front of you if I had to do hand signals, but I could be behind you, so that's great. So do you want to go through the neighborhood like we did last time? Or
Yeah.
do you want to actually ride the road?
Let's go to the neighborhood and then get to the road.
All right. Well, you're in charge. Go ahead. Yeah. I'll get out of your way.
Oh, I was going to back up.
Get out of your way. It's easier to go forward in a motorcycle. So I'm going to go right, because this van.
Go ahead. Hold on. That van just...
So do what you need to do. Okay. So go left, go behind the building. I'll wait behind you. Now, easiest thing is to just not hit the speed bumps. So go for that little circle. But what do you do if you do hit the speed bumps?
Go up a little, stand up.
Sit up a little bit.
Oh my gosh, it feels good with the air.
I know, when you sit down and do nothing, it's just crappy. You're just sweating.
Seriously.
So what did I say about these turns right here? The cars like to cut it short, right? So always watch out. You see the tire marks on the curb, people are cutting it short. So left would be the easiest route.
Okay, I'm gonna take a left.
So just focus on your skills. I won't talk as much. I'll only kind of point out issues, like with the road. You already know the skills. That new exhaust sounds badass.
I know, it sounds great.
It sounds way better than my bike.
Like, I didn't even know it was my bike when we took off.
Did you just do a wave?
I did.
You might want to switch into third gear if you're going to be going 30 miles an hour.
Okay.
Hey, you waved at somebody.
I think that was my first one ever on my bike. Whoop, whoop.
So right here, we got a turn coming up. What should you do?
I should be on this lane that I'm in right now. But look out, because they may not see me and they may also go over the line. So don't get too close to the line.
So I would just kind of scoot over a little bit. You see that gravel? Yeah. And these are blind turns. There's an intersection possibly. So just kind of be prepared to slow down and stop. Practice your counter steering. It's pretty easy. So here's an intersection. Okay. I always slow down before the intersection, just like maybe 2-3 miles an hour.
I could barely hear you.
So I just slowed down about like 2-3 miles an hour, especially in this area. So maybe like 5% of my speed before an intersection. So we got sunlight about to hit us, so get ready.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So that could be bad in the middle of a turn. You get blinded all of a sudden, you mess up your line and everything. So can you see the road right now?
No, I can't.
Nope. So what should we do? Slow down?
Yeah.
Okay, so slow down because we got an intersection coming. One of the secrets that I learned as a firefighter, especially at night with all the lights, is that you use your peripheral to look at the sun, and then you stare kind of like at this corner of the side, and then you use the rest of your peripheral to look everywhere. That way you're not blinded when it goes out of your way. So right now I'm not blinded, I can see perfectly.
Yeah, I couldn't see crap.
Blind intersection.
Okay.
So this is the perfect opportunity. Downshift, upshift. We're not just going 30 if you don't want to. So I'm right behind you. There's no one behind us.
I'm good. I mean, you want me to downshift?
That's fine. Downshift you want. Here's another bike. Are you going to wave at him?
I am going to wave.
Go ahead.
Whee!
He waved first.
Dang.
All right, blind intersection, so kind of scoot away. Because right now you're in the position of that you're not presenting yourself very well.
So I should have been on this side.
Yeah. That way they could see you a lot sooner, so they'd make the decision not to go a lot sooner also. So main hazard of an intersection, a lot of traffic trying to rush it, so you're hitting gravel also. And then also when you get to an intersection, look at where you're about to stop too. See all this bad bumpy crap?
Mm-hmm.
Saw you having some issues. So we got one car, let's just wait.
Oh my gosh, my nose is itchy.
So left, right, we're good, so get ready to go. Go ahead and go.
Hold on.
That's fine. While you're going, look at the ground, look up, look at the ground, look up, look for debris. Looks like no debris. Make the turn, and there you go. So practice your shifting now. All right, so we got a car coming out. You don't know if he's gonna jump lanes, so just kind of relax. Okay, good.
I can't hear you.
Do I have to yell like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think what I need to do is just go to the doctor's and get my ears cleaned out.
Probably.
Because, like, you sound almost like a muffled radio.
Yeah, it's probably you. So this guy right here to your right, just let them go. You're in their blind spot now. You're out of their blind spot. Good. We got brake lights and a stop sign, so get ready for the stop sign.
Okay.
So just kind of slow down a little bit, and if you go left, you go right, go straight. It's up to you.
Let's go left.
So a lot of people don't know how to treat these stop signs like real stop signs. So I would go after this truck.
Which truck?
I would have went right now.
Oh.
They're waiting on you.
Oh. Oh, well.
Okay, so get ready to go. Yeah, but when there's confusion of like, should I go, should I not go, you never know what they're gonna do.
Right.
All right, so switch into third. There you go. So now the sun's going down and there's not really good visibility. So while you're shifting and while you're working on your counter steering, kind of glance down at the ground also.
Go ahead and what?
Glance down at the ground also. Do you have your headset turned up?
Right here?
Yeah, it's on the bottom with your thumb.
Yeah, I thought I had it all the way up.
Is it? Okay, watch out for the gravel. Make your turn. I mean, are you that deaf or?
I think I'm that deaf.
Babe, that's not good. I'm like screaming into the mic.
I am that deaf. That's what I'm telling you. When one falls out of my ear, which they're like, it's all the way up.
And you can't hear me when I talk?
Not that well.
I'm screaming into the mic.
Are you?
Yeah.
This one's not in. It came out.
You have to remember after this, like every minute, it's just gonna get darker and darker and darker.
Okay.
You can't be riding with one hand because everyone will make fun of you for that. Try to stay upright as best as possible because there's a lot of gravel and debris. Do you want to do it here or do you want to do it where there's grass?
Where there's grass. This is like dead. We can drive the motorcycles up on the thing.
No, we can't. No, we can't.
Yeah.
When you leave your visor up, I hear your exhaust.
Gotcha.
So this is kind of a blind turn because of all the debris.
Mm-hmm.
Or not debris, but the bushes. All right, so you're good. So turn right. That's where you do the slow right turns, sharp right turns. So second gear, when you start getting straight again, you go into second gear. First gear is just to get going.
Okay. So do you know this park very well?
The other side has the dog park, but I think this is the fire station right here.
So is it coming up at all?
You could probably turn right here. This is the main road, and then there's a right-hand turn halfway through the park. So this is just a one-way stop.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Go ahead. So nice and easy. So get ready to turn. You see the sign coming up. You see the brake in the curb, and you see that car.
Mm-hmm.
That's where you want to get ready to turn. So use your blinker. I'll be protecting your back end as a rider. I would go a little bit wider than that.
A little bit wider.
Yeah, you have the room to do it. You have the resources to do it because I'm behind you.
Whoops! I didn't see that pothole.
Yep. So look down, look up, look left, look right, look down. You're using the full view in front of you. All right, so you're in a bad spot if you want to show off your exhaust.
Why? Oh, my exhaust is on the other side, huh? Okay.
All right, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in position. So practice your slow speed. Do a figure 8. So nice and slow, slower. Counterweight. Very good.
Ooh, I locked it.
That's fine. That's fine. Now keep doing it. Keep coming this way.